day.It table. I have exciting news for you guys. I just started my Instagram account. You can look me up at day.It table 87. I have sneak peeks of my next recipes, so check it out. Today I will show you how to make the most delicious and easiest dinner. Let's get started. For this recipe you will need 2 chicken breasts, a bell pepper, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, a tablespoon of paprika, 3 eggs, a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of flour, 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of shredded cheese, 1 tablespoon of oregano. I am going to use my mixer to make the batter for the crepes. Add the flour, eggs, milk, salt, and oil into the blender. And turn it on medium power until the mixture is smooth. Pour the mixture into a bowl. Place a frying pan on the stove on medium heat and use a stick of butter to grease the bottom. Then spoon some mixture into the pan and tilt the pan until the bottom is covered. Let the crepe fry for 4 minutes or until golden brown. Then flip it to the other side to finish frying. Now I'm going to prepare my chicken and cut it in small pieces. Next, cut up your bell pepper into small pieces. So next I'm going to add my herbs to the chicken, mix it well and then fry it. Add oil into a frying pan and let it warm. Pour the chicken mixture into the pan and mix well as it's cooking. Let's see if our chicken is ready. And I'm going to taste a little piece. Be careful, it's really hot. So tender. I am going to shred my cheese because I'm going to add it inside of my crepes. Next, spoon some of the chicken on each crepe. Add the cheese and roll it up. Be sure to tuck in sides as you go. Then pour oil into a frying pan. When bubbles form, place each crepe into the pan to fry it with the open ends down. If you like, you can also use a cast iron grilling pan. You can serve with your favorite sauce, Esta. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did so, remember, subscribe right here, give me a thumbs up, and this corner right here, check out my previous one. Bye!